proving that disability is not enough to stop someone who is determined to succeed. The Philippine Accessible Disability Services or PADS Adaptive Dragon Boat Team surprised the world by winning gold during the 2017 Hong Kong Dragon Boat Festival. This year, they once again defended their title by winning gold in the 2018 Hong Kong Dragon Boat Festival, last June 22 to 24 at the Victoria Harbor.
Minsan po yung mga hero, hindi nakakita, hindi nakakarinig, hindi nakakasalita. Hindi po yung kamay, walang isang paa, hindi nakakasalita. Pero pag nasa bangka na sila, buong-buo po yung loob ng mga to. So I consider my teammates, the management, the coaching staff, as a modern hero para sa bansa natin.
In their victory party last August 15 at the New Era Hotel, the PADS team acknowledged everyone who supported them and helped them achieve the title.
We will continue to inspire more people, not only yung mga PWD, but also kabayan natin na nalulungkot po. Sa Hong Kong po, ibang klase po yung naramdaman namin na pagtanggap ng kabayan natin. Kasi na-experience po nila paano sila malitin ng taga Hong Kong. But when we gave them the championship, yung ilang second na po na championship, tuwan-tuwa po sila sa amin. And para kami nilang kapamilya, para kami anak nila. Throughout the competition, doon po sila, bibigyan kami ng pagkain, bibigyan kami ng support, pinag-asal kami. Sobra po yun na treasure po namin hanggang tumanda kami, i-share namin sa mga apo namin.
The event was attended by the PADS Board of Directors, coaches, staff, donors, and the paddlers who joyously celebrated their victory.
Congratulations, Captain. May you continue to lead by example, our paddlers. We've been given the opportunity to bring pride and honor and glory to our country. It's something that not everyone has been given the opportunity. You chose to wake up every morning, you chose to come here, you chose to sacrifice, not for yourself, but for the country.
This is not the end for PADS, as the team ambitions to earn more victories in the future, not just in terms of dragon boat racing, but also by having the society acknowledge persons with disabilities.
In 5 years from now, hindi natin alam ang nangyayari, but we are very optimistic and we are very positive. Nasimula pa lang po ito ng mas magandang ibibigay na pagpapala ng Panginoon.
Because ultimately, our desire for this organization is that we will not be any longer there, and that society has fully, and you have fully integrated into society.
With a back-to-back win, the PADS team invites everyone to join the movement of creating a disability-inclusive Filipino society. With reports from Raya de Guzman and cameraman Joel Noel, Dan Luzon, MyTV Cebu.